Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make a paper boat. It's a really simple process and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it in this video. As you can see, I'm starting off with just a regular sheet of printer paper. This is 8.5 by 11 paper. We're going to start off by grabbing one end and folding it in half just like this. You want to try and get the folds as nice and even as possible, just because it makes the whole process easier when all of the folds are pretty even. So you want to make a nice crease right there. And then what we have here is the side that sort of flaps open, and we have the folded side that is one piece over here. So you want to get both ends, both corners of the folded side, bring them in, and you want to sort of turn them into this little triangle looking piece right here. And when you get them into position, you want to just give it a nice crease, just like that. Now try and do as good of a job as possible at getting it evenly. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it does have to be really good. Now, once again, we have this flappy piece right here. We want to take this and fold it up over those edges right there. Just give it a nice crease like that. Then we're going to flip it around, flip it over. Then take this piece and fold it up evenly with the other one that we just folded, just like that. As you can see, now we have this little piece right here. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to take it, we're going to open it up. And what we want to do is, let's just try and get to the bottom over here. We're going to open it up. And what we want to do is we want to just fold it the other way. So it was like this. We're going to open it up and fold it this way. Now you'll notice that these pieces sort of bend into each other. So just fold one in like that. And then flip it over, fold one in like that. And then when you have it like this, you want to just crease it down nicely, just like that. Now we have these pieces here at the bottom. We're going to take one end, we're going to fold it up like this. So once again, this is the piece that we sort of folded that piece in with, just like that. We're going to fold it up, and we're going to try and get it to touch this corner up here. Make a nice crease in it, just like that. Then flip it around, do the same thing with the other side. Once again, this is the side that we sort of folded that piece in on, and then we're going to make it touch the corner. Give it a nice crease. Try and get it nice and evenly. Like I said, it just makes it easier when it's all even. Now here is the basically the final part of the process. What we want to do is we want to sort of open it up. Okay, so we're going to basically pull it apart. So there's an opening here. We're going to pull it apart like this. Okay, then you're going to grab the sides and you want to pull these out. So pull them out like that. And what you're going to have is almost a boat, because right now you just want to pull them out and just make a nice crease right there. So I'm pulling them out. Make a nice crease over here, just like that. And just as soon as you finalize all the creases, what you have is a little boat. It's literally that simple. There's your boat. Literally that simple. Go ahead, put it in some water, and you will see that this boat floats. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. It's a really simple process, and I've shown you exactly how to make a paper boat. Once again, if you want to just make sure all the creases are nice and solid and so forth, you can do that at this point. But your boat should be good to go. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.